Hey everyone, welcome back to Wolfmansgarage, and today we are in Red Deer, Alberta at my best bud's house, and he asked me to help him install the ditch lights on his 2020 Toyota Tacoma. So I figured while I'm out here I might as well make a video of it. Filming on a new GoPro Hero 11, so I'm gonna test it out. So let's get started. Okay, these are from Cali Raised. Right there. Guess he ordered them off the website and shipped them directly to his house. So it comes with the lights, the hardware to put them in. He's already got them mounted onto these brackets, and a wiring harness, but no instructions, so I'm assuming it's pretty simple. So here's your driver's side bracket and your passenger side bracket. So to mount these, you actually mount them where your hood mounts. So we'll show you how to do that, and then you run your wiring to your battery, and it comes with a fuse and a relay that mounts to your fender. So you just work away with it, and looks like it's pretty simple. So see if we can get this done. All right, we're gonna start with removing one bolt on our hood mount. Now, we've already marked them with a Sharpie to keep the alignment in check, and then we have to check it afterward. So, all right.
Just in case for the deal.
That's right.
There you go. Like
Bolt broke.
Oh.
I'm almost had you there. All right. So that'll come out.
Yep. Then should.
There's one.
You just take the other. Yeah, you need the bolt right there.
All right. So just hold on. Just hang on. Hold on. Pull that away.
Yeah.
Pull that away.
Do this.
Just hang on. Pull it away. Pull it away. Okay. Pull away. Just trust me. Okay. Now that we have our bolt out, slide the bracket in there. We're going to slide our bracket up just like so, and then put the bolt back in. Put our bolt back in there, if I can see here. It takes you about 4 sets of hands, so I'll have a good buddy doing it with you. Looks like they've been well designed because there's a collar on this bolt. Okay, now that we have that set up,
You have to tighten it up.
Yeah.
Like, tighten it up so that way it sits up. It's on a slot, right? So sits kind of up a little bit, and they're good actually.
I don't have the beep footage yet, dude. Don't have the technology to bleep it out yet. This isn't Jerry Springer. Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'm still gonna be able to slide it over. Loosen it off just a little bit. Oh, like that, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna look like. Just like this.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're going to undo the bottom bolt and then slide it on over.
How do you kill your computer in your brand new Tacoma? How'd you kill your computer in your brand new Tacoma? Oh, you know.
Let somebody lay a wrench across those terminals.
Good thing. Is that plastic? Hope so. Oh god.
While he's loosening off the bottom.
Struggling.
Watch your window there, fella.
It's not even hitting it, man.
No, it looks like it's mine.
Yeah, it's low. It's low profile.
That's awesome.
I know it's fairly like good quality. Like they're not. The thing about this company is geared towards Tacoma owners.
They're always working on them?
Well, I mean, I don't see Fiat in the. I don't see Fiat in the.
Yeah.
It's Fiat and Toyota. They're built in Texas, man.
Fix it again, Tony. Dale, that's Ford. No, Dale, it's a Ford. That's Fiat. However it went, I haven't seen that episode in 20 years.
Like anybody's seen it in 20 years.
Just like that.
It just slides right in there. Check the alignment once we get this both on. Or just
Okay, now that we're gonna got that in place,
I'm
we're
gonna.
just gonna check our alignment to see if it's straight.
Which it is.
Yeah, looks like it's pretty well bang on. So I guess these parts are what, like made to order?
Yeah, they're made to order. So I mean, they're not totally things. You just kind of have to. Like these are gonna be. This is gonna be resting. This bolt's gonna be resting right up against here. So it's the only downfall. What we might do is might tighten it back up again here, and just slide this collar down a little bit.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Well, actually, it's actually not bad. You can.
Well, seeing as how you have the hood all the way up. Okay, hold on. Just bear with me. All right. Now we have it slid into place. Both bolts are tightened. How we looking?
It's not bad. I mean, this bolt, you might want to be able to get at that bolt. So you might want to slide it down a little bit.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So we're worrying about fitment of this bolt here, this little one that mounts the bracket to the light. So we're thinking we're going to slide this down just a hair.
So, what do you think? One bolt at a time kind of deal, or?
It should be fine. Honestly, if that side's tight, I don't think it'll move too much. But yeah, maybe don't overdo it. Just loosen them off a little bit, bit by bit. Know what I mean? Like still, you'll have to force it a little bit.
Yeah, like it's not.
You got a rubber mallet?
I do actually. I don't want. I just don't want to hit the thing. So like, because I slid it all the way up. That's the thing. I could swing it out.
Yeah.
Tighten it back. Tighten the first one back up. Swing it out and just that little bit, right? But it's. Well, I mean, here. Well, we got tightened back up to there. Why don't we just shut the lid and see if we can actually see how it looks? You know what I mean?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah. For the first one anyway, and then we know for the second one where it needs to be.
All right.
Yeah. So.
All right. The hood here.
Watch it not watch.
That looks pretty snazzy.
Not bad, eh? You know what? You can actually get a wrench in there. It's not. You can actually get a read on this side.
Yeah, so we might be good.
I think we might be good. It's not. Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, a lot of fit and finish with this stuff, but
You know.
it's worth to just put the time and take your time and don't rush things. So
So I mean, do one side and
yeah,
go to the other. I mean, they're pretty straight on with your hood, right? How they kind of sit. You know, so Cali Raised actually told they were actually ditch lights. So they're actually meant to go on an angle to light up the sides of the road.
okay.
But they say that if you turn them on, you're going to get a lot of hood.
Yeah.
So it's whatever application you're looking for. But the nice thing about these lights is they got these LEDs on the side. So actually, when you turn them on,
Realistically, they'll act like extra high beam.
extra high beams kind of deal.
Yeah, and you'll still get the spread.
So I mean, they're
Yeah.
not. This isn't too bad. I don't have a snorkel on this thing, so it shouldn't be too bad.
No, the snorkel will make it interesting
We'll
if
have
you
to
put one
snorkel.
on.
You have to slide the thing all the way over. But
Yeah.
I
Hey,
set order their sport brackets, so they should just slide right on.
right.
So, but I can see why they want. You can see why I told you they want you to put everything together
Yeah.
before, and pretty cool. Like these are up and down. They're just two little Allen wrenches right in there. You just
Take an Allen wrench and
take an Allen wrench, and you can just.
that's handy.
Yeah, they're pretty easy to put. Like I said, they're pretty easy to put together. They just kind
Plug
of
and play.
plug and play. And I mean, we're not the only guy. We're the only guys you want to watch putting these on. But there's lots of other videos that they say, you know. But if you're looking for a good video, this is this is as real as it gets. You check one on at a time, check it, make sure everything's good you want, and even that one. It's
Yeah. He's gonna sit in there and see how it looks.
fancy. Fancy!
Fancy dancy.
Did you see it?
Here, I'll let you get it. A fancy new GoPro. I don't want to go marking it up now.
No, you don't want to go marking your fancy GoPro up.
Yeah.
So I guess we'll do the other side. I'll make sure these are tight.
So this is more like Dano's garage, this episode.
Dano's garage.
Yes.
Dano's parts installer.
Here we go.
He works on anything anymore.
Well, I try to.
That's exactly it. Nobody wants to work on anything anymore. You look at this thing. This thing's got a computer. It's smarter than I am.
Computer, kill Flanders.
Computer, kill Flanders. Yeah.
I don't know, smart computers. You never saw Terminator? Or like Short Circuit?
Short circuit.
Hey, Laser Lips, your mama was a snowblower.
Yeah.
Whatever that means.
So yeah, these will just kind of go on.
Okay, so now you take your harness, I'm assuming, right?
Yeah. You just
Then you
kinda
just
run it under here, basically. I would think.
yeah. What if you tucked it under? Like,
So like right here.
yeah.
They're ready
Just
to.
kind of get it out of the way,
Yeah.
and then just we'll see here. What if you can get it to squeeze between here? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Right here.
You have to undo that little
Grommet there.
Christmas tree grommet right
Yeah.
there. Whatever the heck you call them. There's so many different names for them.
Too many grommet names.
Yeah.
I mean, this sits pretty flush too. I mean, it's not.
Yeah,
Like
it's
it's
a
gonna-
very nice profile.
All right, let's put the other on.
Okay. All right. So the other side, same idea. I'd suggest a rubber mallet or a regular hammer and a 2x4 so you don't scratch paint or anything or damage the unit here. But I'd say that's lined up. And
Room enough there to make your adjustments too, right?
yeah, and it's not hard to make adjustments. So just take your time and do it one bolt at a time. So now we're gonna put the hood back up and we're gonna work on wiring it up. Okay, through a lot of swearing and questioning of our own sanity, we got the lights lined up so that we can adjust with that bolt easier. So now we're gonna go poke away at putting the wiring harness back together, which is on the table here. So all right, gonna double check our fitment, get it right the first time, I suppose. Now we have them on an angle so they can shoot into the ditch wherever. So, and as we go along we can adjust them as you go.
A lot better.
Definitely. Yeah, I'd say.
The old Maxim, you can't do that with a gas ring still.
Oh.
Little thin Maxim or whatever, or snap on or whatever.
Fancy.
I know,
Jeepers.
You know, scratching my own truck.
Oh well, no, I don't have a cent invested.
No cent invested.
No sense at all,
No
actually.
cent for you. That's not bad.
Yeah. All right. Now we're gonna play with the wiring. All right. So now we got it wired up. Fuse in place. There's just a bolt on the top here. Just undo the bolt. Run the eyelet through it. Here is the ground strap for the body to the battery. We mounted it there. I ran it behind here to make it look nicer. Here's your relay, and I bolted that to the side where the fuse box bolts up, and ran the wire, zip tied it all the best I could. I'll clip those off. And another little trick I figured out is take this piece off and then run the cable underneath the cowl for the windshield wipers. So, well, obviously it's daylight. It's 2 hours ahead of where I'm home, so I'm confused, but according to my watch, it is 7:45 back home, but realistically it'd be 5:45.
Something like that.
Yeah, so Alberta's a bit different out here, so anyways, all right, so we're gonna wait till it's night and we'll do a test on them. Might even have to do some aligning, so stay tuned. All right, it's about 9:30 at night, and figured it'd be the perfect time to test them out. So here we go. That's got some distance. So actually, can you kill your headlights or?
You can't kill your headlights on this thing. There's my fog lights off.
Okay.
Oh, hang on. Oh, oh no, that's my oh here. Here.
Actually, turn the truck off. Know what I mean?
No, okay.
Yeah, that's bright.
Right, man. Wait, fucking field.
Yeah, that's got some distance. What do you think that'd be? 100 feet?
I'd say you can see right over the yard there.
I don't know, it's dark and you can't really see, but yeah, that works awesome.
For sure.
All right, I know it's a rushed video, but I'm in Alberta, so figured make a video out here and enjoy the time. Well, that'll be it for this episode of Wolfman's Garage. Like, comment, and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, and maybe I'll start a TikTok. Have to see. I'll howl at you later.